How to remove collaborators from Instagram post after posting. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on the post you want to remove collaborator from. And there, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen in your post. Then click on Edit. After you click on Edit, you will find Collaborator at the top. Simply click on Collaborator at the top. Then you will find all the collaborators from your post. Now, what you need to do is click on the cross marks beside their name. Then press on tick mark at the top right. Then again, press on the tick mark at the top right. In this way, collaborator will be removed. This is how to remove collaborators from Instagram post after posting. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.